Vowel has two types of sounds: short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Short vowel sounds are a, e, o, but the long vowel sounds are a, e, I, o, u. When we say cat, a is short vowel sound. When we say hen, her, n, hen, is the short vowel sound. When we say pen, p, I, n, pin, is a short vowel sound. When we say hot, h, o, t, hot, o is a short vowel sound. When we say hut, h, a, t, hut, is a short vowel sound. Now let's discuss about the long vowel sounds. A, when we say cake, cake. E, when we say tree, tree. I, when we say file, which sound we are going to hear? I'll, file. O, rose. U, when we say tube, we are going to hear U sound. U. So these all are the long vowel sounds and these all are the short vowel sounds.